And this beautiful lady right here is Angelica, the VWE World Heavyweight Championship. And right now, I'd like to talk to you about my opponent at Elimination Royale, Braden Carson. Wait, what's that, Angelica? I'm facing Michael Carson at Elimination Royale. Are you sure? I swear it's Braden. Come on, he's tried to steal you away. Braden did it. He's interrupting my matches. Braden did it. He's doing everything he can think of to try and get in my head. As Michael Cole would say, vintage Braden Carson. Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I stand corrected. I'm here to talk to you about my opponent at Elimination Royale, Michael Carson. Michael, you can't just do what you want. You need to be held accountable for your actions. You can say you've broken out of Braden's shadow, but you've done the test back at Wrestle Series 9. VWE's Extreme Champion, Jayson Ray. And following that match, I'm inviting all the ladies to join me aboard the Erotic Express.
Tonight, he's going to be facing the Extreme Champion, Jayson Ray. So, without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, his opponent from Centralia, Pennsylvania, weighing in at 240 pounds and a height of 6'3", this is Jayson Ray.
That's right, as he is your VWE Extreme Champion.
I sort of bet he almost got me there when he kept calling Michael Braden.
You didn't pay attention, bro.
That's why I said he almost.
But seriously, I think this match is going to be amazing. I mean, obviously, we have two very, very well competitors. Obviously, the crowd prefers one over the other, but honestly, this is going to be a very good match, especially for Jayson.
Oh, you can't forget something. These guys kind of got a history. Is they had some beef about around Wrestle Series season, and it didn't turn out well for Kieran.
Well, Jayson said best as Kieran has to stop worrying about, of course, the Carsons. Or whichever Carson it is at this point. I believe it's Michael.
It's Michael.
He needs to focus on Jayson right now.
He definitely does. I mean, Jayson didn't just beat anybody for that Extreme title. He didn't beat a scrub like Reese Tucker or a Jeffrey. He beat a former 5-time World Heavyweight Champion in Seth Cameron.
That's true.
Someone has had it 4 more times than Kieran. Continue, Falcon.
No, you're very true about that, so. So right now, the referee is making sure that the competitors are ready. Well, obviously they're ready.
Both contenders are ready to go. Anyway, Kieran and Jayson started off with a lockup. And Kieran, being the stronger of the two, is pushing Jayson right to the corner. Now, Oh, and he just shoves Jayson right into the corner hard. See what Kieran is thinking about here. Oh. Ooh, big corner chop by Kieran. But Jayson's fighting back.
And like I said before, Kieran has to watch out for Jayson because Jayson, he's extremely well-rounded.
Oh, but now Jayson sending Kieran into the corner with authority. And a big forearm right to the... Ooh, and a vicious headbutt. Another forearm.
Very well. But right now you can see right now is Jayson, he's pulling out Kieran right now. Let's go right to our ship and
big
bicycle kick. God.
Yeah, I don't think Kieran is really 100% in his mind for this match. If he was, I don't think he'd be flat on his back right now.
Well, going for the pin here, one, and only getting a 1 count. And now Jayson in control, picking up the world champion. And another vicious headbutt. And another one.
Jayson's going to go via Kieran about that. There goes a ooh.
Hard punch there. And ooh, big swinging knee lift right into the face of Kieran.
The opening moments of this match has been all Jayson.
Oh, definitely.
I have to say, now Jayson just towering over Kieran. And, oh, come on, a blatant foot choke by Jayson here.
Oh, and now a knee right across that same throat.
Big vicious knee drop. And ooh! Another fist drop, this time to the head.
Yeah, I'm liking this side of Jayson.
And now picking up Kieran. Sending Kieran over to the corner, and let's see what Jayson's going to do here. We already know he's already dangerous in the corner. Big forearm starting. Just rocking Kieran's brains.
Oh, he's just going via it right now.
Oh! Big over belly to belly suplex.
You need to watch out for that.
Just grabbing him from behind. And huge German suplex into the pin.
Oh, that's it. 1, 2,
and no!
Oh.
Only getting a 2 count.
Okay, you get out of that. But he's really got to get into this match because he is getting his ass beat.
I'm afraid I agree with you on this one. Jayson is incomplete. He's been complete control since the bell rang, but now Kieran fighting back. Oh, and now Jayson with the punch of his own, and there they go, back and forth. And now big forearm smash right to the head, and another one.
That's all. That's what I can say that. Oh God.
Oh, and he got it. A big double leg takedown.
Hold on, man. That should be illegal right there.
Jayson
look how close this. closed fists.
Yeah, those are close fists, bro.
Those are not closed fists.
Yes, they are. Do you
I'm
know
not
what
going to argue
a
with
closed
you
fist
two.
is?
You know what? I'm done. I'm not going to argue with you two. I'm just going to continue with the match. Front face lock by Kieran Darkwatch. Let's see what's going to happen here. Oh, Irish whip by Kieran sending Jayson off the ropes. Here comes Jayson coming back. Sending. Oh, big flapjack onto the ropes. Definitely went for Jayson's throat there. Oh, what's Kieran doing here? Kieran picking up Jayson. Oh, he's going for a classic. The airplane spin.
Oh, God. Come on now.
And then he follows it up with a Samoan drop.
No, I shouldn't have watched all that.
Again, this is not going for the pin here. We got 1, 2, and no. Jayson getting a 2 count. Or Kieran only getting a 2 count. Jayson able to kick out. Now, the only problem is with the airplane spin, you do get a little bit dizzy, but he only did it for a few spins and just slams him with that Samoan drop. Oh, but now Kieran is positioning himself. Let's see what he's going to do here. Oh, he's going to go for the neck wrench here.
Hey, he's holding his hair, bro.
Oh, jeez, we're not going through the hair again. Jeez. Thank you. Adam's saying no hair.
Yes, because Adam's the greatest referee in the world.
Jayson has nothing to do here.
But Jayson he's getting out of the neck wrench.
A very smart move by Jayson.
Smart move indeed. Here comes Jayson going off the ropes. Oh, PKO!
That's it. That is it.
That is it.
His lights are out. He's done.
But now he's going up to the turnbuckle.
I don't know if he should be going to the top here. This might be a risk he doesn't need to take.
You know what? He got this.
Great drop. There it is.
Oh, there it is. Go right for the pin for 1, 2,
and no. Kieran.
Are you kidding me?
Kieran able to kick out.
Oh, hell no. I'm going to argue this one. That should have been a 3 count, bro.
Oh, jeez. Here we go.
That should have been. Seriously. Adam, come on, yo.
Should have been, could have been, but Kieran was able to kick out. Jayson's pissed off. Now he's
pissed off too if someone gave me a crappy count like that.
Jayson frustrated.
He about to put Kieran away. He ain't frustrated.
He says he's gonna take his head off once he goes for her.
He's going for that Reaper sight.
That's it. Game over. You could count to 100.
Yep, I guess that's it. Jayson.
Or maybe.
No,
that's it, Jayson.
That's over for 1, 2, and
No! Kieran able to kick out.
Come on!
Hell no. Are you kidding me?
Kieran kicking out of the Reaper's sight. That's huge lariat that Jayson uses.
There should have been no way he should be kicking out of that. No way.
Well, he kicked out.
Jayson needs to send him through that goddamn ring with that death sentence powerbomb, and then Kieran won't be kicking out nothing.
That's true, but Kieran with the headbutts in the midsection.
That was very low.
No, it wasn't. It was in the midsection, and now Kieran continuing the headbutts.
Oh, come on now.
And this is it. Oh. Kieran fighting back, grabbing the leg of Jayson. What is he going to do here?
I have no idea, but right now, you can see right now that it looks like that, whatever Kieran's planning on doing, he has to do it now.
Let's see. Oh, he's going for it. He's going for the Paradise Lock. Here it comes.
No.
Oh, that should be illegal. That should be illegal.
Why is it should be illegal?
There's no way to get out of it.
And your point being? But Kieran's going up the top rope. Looks like he's going to do something. Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, what's this?
What's going on here? Wait, that's Michael Carson.
Michael Carson.
No.
Oh, no, that's the Exotic Express.
Why is he at the Exotic Express?
Can we just play it?
Maybe he wanted to show up early to the party.
Hold on.
Oh, it is? Oh, okay. Who is it? Kieran, I see you down there, buddy. I want you to know that the party that you planned on going to is canceled. But my only question,
Michael, don't you dare.
Really, do you want your guest medium or well done?
Oh, no. He's not planning on... Oh, he wouldn't.
Hey, Kieran, you might need something.
Oh shit! And he has a cigarette. Of course, he has gasoline. He's pouring gasoline. Has a cigarette. Oh, this is not good.
Let's go and drop that.
I don't know, but Kieran got the help out here.
He's got a long one, says out front.
Michael was it. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Michael Carson just set the Exotic Express on fire.
How I will be seeing you around.
The referee's still counting. He's up to 7. There better not be people in there.
Oh, there are.
There actually might be people in there, actually.
Well, if they're stupid enough to stay in there when they see a guy pouring gasoline on it, well, the world don't need them.
Are you?
Oh, look, as he's driving off and... Oh, look, there's Kieran.
Oh, there you go.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner by countout, Jayson Rain, and Kieran is desperately trying to put out the flames on his Exotic Express bus.
Well, regardless, the winner's Jayson Rain.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Oh, those wheels are fucked. They're melted.